beautiful Mansory modified McLaren in this amazing looking satin matte silver finish, and again with a different type of carbon fiber pattern being splattered absolutely everywhere. Really interesting detail about the car are these green lines and the Mansory logo. Again, carbon fiber vents right there as well. Carbon fiber even in the lights here, and as you can see, these green lines follow the outer lines of the car. The same wheels as on the Aston Martin right there. Silver calipers again. Let's take a closer look at the pattern of the carbon fiber, and then again on these green lines that follow the main shapes of the body kit of the car. Here a Mansory logo, again carbon fiber mirror with Mansory logo here as well, carbon fiber here and all around the back, and then the huge carbon fiber wing spoiler with green Mansory logo on it. Alright, let's take a quick look at the back diffuser and the back bumper. It looks extremely aggressive with the green lines and 4 exhaust tips in the middle of the car. These vents are also carbon fiber. These are the tail lights. It looks absolutely incredible. Let's take a quick look into the interior. So the interior is another story. As you can see, the interior is a combination of blue carbon fiber, normal black carbon fiber, and blue Alcantara on the seats, on the dashboard, on the steering wheel, with this green stitching and green details, and then blue leather floor and floor mats from Mansory with again green details and stitching.